Hey everyone, so how to change your Duolingo app icon, so very quick guide. So here it is a final result of this tutorial where you will have Duolingo app icon which kind of looks like a normal icon and it doesn't look like a tired oval or some other, Duolingo app icon. This app often does these pranks with their icons and some people don't really like it. So basically, yeah, what you need to do, you need to find a Duolingo app icon on Google or somewhere. Usually, I will just recommend you to use this from Duolingo brand guidelines image. So then just tap and hold and tap save to photos. This way, you just save it to your photos. It's very important that you use the correct image, that you use the correct icon. It should be kind of transparent and it should be like full width. So this one, it works for me. So basically then, okay, so this is the final result, but let's start from over. So you need to have Shortcuts app. You need to tap plus in top right and then you select open app and then you select here and then you select Duolingo. So this is how you select open Duolingo app from here. And that's basically what it is. And then you just tap on arrow and then you tap add to home screen and then you just tap on blue thingy and then select choose photo and then select this photo which was just saved to your camera roll. And then of course you need to rename it so it has the same name as Duolingo. You will have a preview. Again, it should look kind of similar. A lot depends on the image because if the image is not transparent or like if it's too small or too big or grainy, it's just not gonna look like original app. And then finally you just tap add in the top right. Done. So now you have Duolingo app icon, which kind of what it does is just basically like a home screen bookmark, and when you tap on that bookmark it just redirects you to Duolingo app. You see little switch in the top which you don't see without shortcuts, but this is not too annoying. It's kind of, you can get adjusted to it. But yep, that's what I would do. Try it out. If it's too complicated, you can use apps like theme pack or some other ones. Probably you will need to pay there, and then from here you can go to icons and create some custom Duolingo icon. So you can try that. Alternatively, you just need to wait like a few weeks, usually 2-3 weeks, and then Duolingo app icon will go back to normal. They usually restore it quite quickly, but for some people it's unbearable to wait that long, so that's what it is.